Today, we're putting everything you think you know about the animal kingdom to the ultimate test. We've got a fast-paced, interactive knowledge quiz lined up for you.
All right, question 1. Who's the king of the jungle? Is it the lion or the tiger? Your 5 seconds starts now. And the answer is the lion. It's a total classic. Though, fun fact, lions actually live out on the savannah, not in the jungle.
Next up, which one of these animals actually lays eggs? The dolphin or the platypus? 5 seconds on the clock.
It's the platypus. Yeah, they're part of this really rare group of mammals called monotremes that lay eggs instead of giving birth to live young. Moving on to some harsher environments. Which one lives in the desert? The camel or the elephant? Time is ticking. The camel. Those iconic humps on their backs actually store fat, not water, which is what lets them trek for miles and miles in that dry heat.
Okay, which one of these animals sleeps hanging completely upside down? The koala or the bat? Lock in your guess.
Yes, it's the bat. Hanging upside down actually makes it way easier for them to just instantly drop into flight if they need to escape a predator.
I'm throwing a bit of a curveball at you to finish the round. Which one actually has black skin? The polar bear or the flamingo? Think carefully about this one.
Boom, it's the polar bear. So while their fur looks perfectly white, it's actually translucent. Their skin underneath is pitch black to soak up as much of the sun's warming rays as possible. Which one lives in a hive? The butterfly or the bee? Your countdown starts now.
The bee. Really well done if you got that. Let's test your defense knowledge now. Which of these animals puffs up to defend itself? The pufferfish or the hedgehog? 5 seconds on the clock. It is the pufferfish. When they feel threatened, they'll rapidly swallow huge amounts of water or even air, turning themselves into this unswallowable, spiky balloon. All right, let's talk about regeneration. Which one can regrow its tail? The lizard or the cat? Hold on to your guess.
It's the lizard. This incredible survival trait is called autotomity. It allows them to just drop their tail to distract a predator while they make a run for it. And then they literally just grow a new one later. For this next one, you might just have to trust your gut. We are comparing the bear and the gorilla. Which one is the strongest? You've got 5 seconds to decide.
It's the gorilla. An adult silverback can lift over 10 times its own body weight. That makes them absolute powerhouses in the animal kingdom.
Here we go, the grand finale. Which one has a pouch for its babies? The koala or the panda? Make your final 5 seconds count.
And the final answer is the koala. Because they're marsupials, koalas keep their tiny, underdeveloped joeys super safe in their pouch until they're finally strong enough to brave the outside world.
Go ahead and tally up your final score. How many out of 10 did you get right? Before we wrap up, I want to leave you with this thought. If you could borrow just one of these wild survival traits for yourself, whether it's the raw strength of a gorilla or the regenerative powers of a lizard, which would you choose and why? If you had a good time testing your knowledge today, please don't forget to subscribe to learn for more brain-boosting content.